Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to place a short position using future derivatives trade signals on your Bitget app. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever I post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is your Bitget app. So you just go ahead and click on these futures right here. You click on futures because you want to be trading using futures, right? So right here, when you click on it, this is how it's going to look like. So right now, if you're watching this video and you don't have an account with Bitget, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. You can see on our Telegram channel right here, crypto pair boom USDT right here, direction short, which means sell, and you can see right here. So right now, let's go back to our Bitget app to search for our crypto pair. And if you're watching this video, there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel. You can click and also join our Telegram channel. We share trade signals every single day. So right now, let's go to our Bitget app to search for our crypto pair. Right here on our Bitget app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. So I'm just going to tap on it. Now at this icon right here, I'll just type in boom USDT, and this is it. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. I'll click on it. So once I click on it, it's time for me to set my margin on my leverage, right? So I'll just click right here and change it to isolated because isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders. After that, I'll just click on confirm right here. I'll click on confirm, and now my leverage, I'll click right here, is on 10x leverage. I'll bring it down to 3x or 5x leverage, which is a recommended leverage for new beginners traders. You want to be risking what you can afford to lose, right? So after that, I will now click on confirm right here. I'll click on confirm, and now everything is set. So right now, let's go back to our Telegram channel to search for our entry. On our Telegram channel, you can see our entry zone right here. You can see it right here, which is 0.002758. So right now, let's go back to our Bitget app to input in our entry zone. Alright, so on our Bitget app, because that trade was a limit trade, is a limit order, so I'll just go ahead and type in my order at this point. So I'll just type in my order at this point. So now right here, I will select the amount of boom USDT token I want to get. Do I want to get 21%? Depending on the type of token, how much token you want to get. So you can always choose whichever token, the amount of token you want to get. So right here is where I input in my take profit and stop loss, right? Always remember to set your take profit and stop loss. So right now, let's go to our Telegram channel to set our stop loss and take profit. On our Telegram channel, you can see our stop loss right here, which is 0.003094. So right now, let's go back to our Bitget app to set our stop loss. Alright, so on our Bitget app, if you want to set your stop loss, this is where you input it, your stop loss. So 0.003095. So right now, let's go back to set our take profit. Always remember to set your stop loss and your take profit because that is your defensive zone as a trader. And here on our take profit, you can see right here, which is 0.002250. So let's go back to our Bitget app to set our take profits. So on our Bitget app, this is where we set our take profit right here, which is 0.002250. So right now, if you've checked that everything is correct, and now remember this trade is short, which means sell. So after confirming everything, then you can now click on this open short right here. Once you click on this open short, your orders will be waiting right here until market reach this particular order you placed on this trade, this particular price you placed on this trade, then it will be on position right here. Alright, so this is the simplest way of using future derivatives trade signals to place a trade on your Bitget app. Alright, if you're still watching this video and you don't have an account with Bitget, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. And if you're watching this video, there will also be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you will not miss out on any important video we're gonna be dropping on this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.